Hiljen, Hiljen, can you hear me? I know this is strange, I know it feels unreal, but I'm reaching through the stars, through the fire, through the chaos. It's me, Henry, the one who fell to flames, the one who held you, the one who ran, and the one who now soars above, begging for your help. Look up, Hiljen, look at the sky. Do you see them? The 5 planes circling me, their shadows cast upon the earth, their engines roaring with intimidation. They want me to betray you, to blame you for the fire, to cast you away into darkness. But I won't, I can't. Hiljen, I know you found the laser, I know you've seen its power, its light, its ability to twist the paths of golf balls, to change the course of fate itself. Now I ask you, use it, not for destruction, not for harm, but for freedom. Lift the laser, Hiljen, point it to the sky. Aim beyond fear, beyond doubt, beyond the laws that bind you. Let its golden beam cut through the dark, let it break their circle, let it guide me home to you. They